My name's David Smith. I was the president of ACT for over 20 years. Since its founding, really, until just last July. I was also the president of the corporation, which at that time was still the same owners of ACT, that built the building and then later expanded the building. ACT supports the worldwide fleet of the F-16, okay? And what we did was we started the company when Lockheed Martin was busy with the F-35 and had their plate full. There were thousands of F-16s out in the world and they needed support. Lockheed was too busy. We approached Lockheed about getting their first ever license so that we had the data and the proprietary information to do that support. That way we could supply spares and do maintenance of F-16s. And we started out very small with the U.S. Air Force, but now we do all the air forces in the world. And we're basically the largest supplier of spares, F-16 structural spares. One day Tony and I went around looking at his other properties and things like that. And then actually we went past a property that was not his. But, you know, he had heard everything that I was looking for, and he goes, this might be the one that you're kind of looking at. And we drove past it and then go, yeah, that's more in line with what we're looking for. And then Tony took those ideas, what we needed, and went back and designed the building that we started with. And in fact, incorporated the well in the middle of the building. But as we were building it, we were able to get the city to bring city water, so we didn't have to rely on that well, but the well's there. Even from day one, we had laid the seeds with Tony and everybody that we hoped to expand, you know, that this was it. And that was in everybody's mind. So, okay, I imagine everybody had their own separate vision, but I certainly had a vision of what the future would look like when we were building phase one. Tony probably had his own vision of what that would be, but, you know, and we just had it, so we knew there was going to be growth. And we accommodated, we were ready for it, and everything works out. It's, as I say, it's a great building. Tony has been fantastic. I mean, well after warranty, a normal warranty has expired, he still will send somebody out there and they'll work out. They never have a question. We just tell them, hey, the roof's leaking over here. You know, a normal builder say, well, that was 10 years ago I built that building. I'm not going to fix it. Yeah, but no, I mean, any major issues? No, but Nationwide's always been there to support it. Also, it's a good experience. I liked dealing with Tony. I have dealt with other builders over the years, and Tony is the most straightforward person in terms of doing business with. He lays out exactly what the problem is. And I think the thing that I admire that I've never seen in any other builder is when there's a problem and it really is based on something he did, either whether in design or just something that popped up, totally unexpected. He says, okay, I'm going to fix it. He doesn't. Other builders I deal with, they'll come back and they'll say, well, this needs to be fixed. It's going to cost you another $100,000. Tony goes, no, I gave you the estimate. We're going to do it. So that's unheard of to me with another builder. Oh, I'd highly recommend them. I would say, you know, just for your own knowledge and experience, talk to a couple other builders. Get an estimate or two. But I think when everything's said and done, you'll probably go to Nationwide, because Tony runs a good company.